Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash here and I'm back with another video on Wix. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Wix Logo Maker. But before we start, if you haven't signed up, do check out the links in the description. We'll be adding links to sign up, possibly some cool discount offers if we find any. So let's get started. So head over to wix.com/logo/maker and you should see this page come up. Next, we're going to click on Start Now. Once you click on Start Now, you're going to get displayed with two options. One option is going to be hiring a professional designer, the other one being create a logo yourself. Today, we're going to be showing how you can create a logo yourself. So click on create a logo and this takes you to the designing page. So first you need to enter the name of the company and I'm going to enter Digigrity, and you can see here you can add a tagline too. So the tagline I'm going to give is preserving digital integrity. So let's click on let's go. So what's your logo for? So I'm going to give cybersecurity. You can choose your particular domain and let's click next. So these are the different look and feels for the logo. I want it to be dynamic, modern, creative, and techie. So you can select all that you want and then click next. So next you'll be thrown with a couple of options so that you can choose which one you like. This is just for the artificial intelligence running behind to understand the style or the branding of your company. And you can even give you don't like either of them. So I'm just gonna click this one for these two options. Um, let's say this and this. I like this. I like this. So once you're done selecting some sample logos which you like, after that you'll be given options of where you want to use this logo. So depending on that, the artificial intelligence will generate a logo with appropriate size and shape. So I want to use it on my website or my social media, business cards, and presentations. So once you're done selecting whatever you wanna, click next. After this, it's gonna analyze your answers and find a style for you. Once it finds your style, it'll throw you a list of options out of the given logos. So you can see we've been thrown with a range of different logos and you can even load more. Now, once you find a logo you like, I'm going to choose this one because I like it. Just click on customize. And as you can see here, you can customize it a whole lot to match your exact needs. So if your company follows a particular color scheme, you can set it up here. As you can see, the editor is very comfortable and it gives you a range of options from alignment to colors to text opacity. I'm gonna increase it a tad bit and then decrease the opacity a bit. And you can even increase the font size. Oh, that's too much. As you can see, they have a customized slider or a text input. So they really care about the user experience. Let's just set it to 20. You can even increase or decrease the letter spacing. I feel this is fine. So once you head over to icons, you can see all the icons here. And once you click on customize, you're gonna have all the different colors of the icon. So let's say I want to change this green to somewhat closer to blue. Yeah, I think this fits good, and maybe increase the size a little bit. And no, this works. So as you can see, they give you a lot of different options, allowing you to rotate and try out different positions, you know, whatever you find comfortable for yourself. I'm going to add a little bit of shadow. And once you go to background, you can choose a background color. So I'm going to choose a little bit darker background color. Yeah, I think this looks good. And here they've given you options to add or customize the shapes used. So as you can see, this horizontal line here is the shape they've used, and they give you the option to customize it. So you can customize the color. Yeah, I think this is good. So as you can see, it's so simple to create and edit a logo. The next thing you have to do is to download it. So click on next here, and you can see two options: get your logo plus a stunning website plus get your logo. But this option will generally come up if you don't already have a website on Wix. But let's just say you want your logo for now. Click get it now. Now, once you select get your logo, again you'll be thrown with two options: logo plus website and logo. So once you go to logo plus website, you can see you have a range of different plans, a value added plan, which is at $11 per month, a professional plan at $16 per month, and a deluxe plan at $24 a month. And as you can see, here are the benefits listed out for various plans. And if you want just the logo, you have two different plans. One's a basic plan with $49, which gives you full commercial usage rights and standard logo files, whereas the advanced plan gives you full commercial usage rights, standard logo files, and resizable logo files and social media logo files as well. So here you can see different examples. This will just download a folder and show you what you'll get as a sample. Now, in case you don't want to pay and you want to just try out a free sample, you can download a free sample as well. Just click on download a free sample. I'm going to save it in my desktop. Let's open this up and have a look. Whoa, that's pretty neat, but it's not a very high quality logo, but it does give you a feel of what you need. So that's so simple, and that's how logos are created with Wix. Guys, do check out the links in the description. We'll be adding to links to sign up and some special offers. We'll add the links to Wix Logo Maker. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and share. Do let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn more. Thank you guys. That's been my time.